Imagery is when a writer appeals to our five senses, when they use language that explains what things look like. How do they feel? The textures, the smells, the tastes, the sounds, colors, lights. If you imagine you're driving down a road in the middle of fall and all of those gorgeous colors in the leaves are popping out, you've got bright reds and burning oranges and crisp yellows. All of that heavy language to really immerse the reader in that place, that's imagery. That's when a writer is appealing to our senses to put us right there in the story.